welcome back. Now, after our maths and English class, it's time to begin our today's EVS class. So, what we were doing in EVS, can anyone tell me? In the previous EVS class, I have taught you about a color. Which was that? Yes, we have learnt about this color. What color is this? Black. What color is this? Black. So, we have learnt about black color. How to identify it? Then, we have also seen different things that are black in color. So, anybody, can you give me at least 3 or 4 examples of black color objects? Yes, we have hair, we have blackboard, then we have shoes, they are black in color. Then we have tires, जिनके ऊपर vehicles run करते हैं, all those tires, they are black in color. Then anything else? Hats, जो hat magician या witches पहनते हैं, that hat is also black in color. Then we have seen the umbrellas, they are generally black in color. Then what else? Bat, not the cricket bat, but there is an animal I told you, bat, that flies at night. That bat is also black in color, isn't it? And there were so many things, like I have also shown you our class chalk box. It's black in color, isn't it? So class, we have learned a lot about black color things. Shadow, yes, shadow is also black, isn't it? So what are we going to do today? Today I am going to teach you about one more color. So, every day you people drink milk, isn't it? We drink milk every day. We all do that. 2 or 3 times a day. What is the color of milk? जब मम्मा उसे कप में डाल के या ग्लास में और टम्बलर में किसी में भी, when she gives you, what's the color of that milk? White. Yes. So today we are going to learn about white color and objects that are white in color. Now, whenever you open your drawing file or you open your notebook to do your work, what's the color of the page? That page is also white and we write on it, isn't it? Then we have clouds. Can you see clouds in the sky? Whenever it's rainy time, we see dark color clouds, grey color or dark grey. But generally, whenever you see the sky, you will find in normal time the clouds, they are white in color. We have cotton. Cotton क्या use करते हैं for different activities या कभी हमें चोट लग जाती है, we get injured, what we use? We use that cotton to wipe up, isn't it? That cotton is also white in color. We have moon. Night में जब आप moon देखोगे या आप stars को देखोगे sky में, you will find they are white in color, isn't it? Moon, stars, they all are white in color. We have milk, white in color. So class, there are many more things that are white in color, like chalk. Ma'am, जो chalk use करती है to write on this board, it's white in color. Why? Black color का board है. When I write using a white color on it, that will be visible. वो आपको visible होगा. So, the chalk that ma'am uses, white in color. Not only these, there are many more examples of white color objects. So, today I am going to tell you about white color. We'll also do a revision of black color. After that, there is a very beautiful activity given in your fun sheet book on page number 56 and 57. So, I am writing that here, fun sheet book. Page number 56 and 57. So today white. So what you will do cotton pasting in it. ठीक है? And on page number 57, there is a cow given. A cow is white and black in color, isn't it? तो आपको क्या करना है? मैम ने आपको grapes में thumb painting सिखाई है करना. We did it on Tuesday. Yes. So what you will do? Similarly, you will put black color on your thumb और आप उस cow में on different places. पूरी cow को नहीं करना है, but at some places you will do this thumb printing of black color. आपने देखा होगा ना, sometimes you see cow that is white and black in color. तो उस तरह से आपको वो cow को thumb painting से करना है. Clear? So now let's move ahead and see and learn about different objects in black and white color. Okay? So class, let's first revise black color. You all know how to identify this color, isn't it? Can you see the screen? It's black. Now, we'll see some objects that are black in color. Can you see them all? There are so many things that we found black in color. We have bat, cat, tire, spider, penguin. Now what's that? Witch's hat, isn't it? Witches matlab jadugarni. Then we have umbrella. Then we have pot of gold. We have shoes. Then pencil. The one which we use to write is also black in color. We have crow, bird, that is black in color. Mustaches. What are mustaches? Men's they have on in between nose and lips, है ना? Nose और lip के बीच में होती है, जो men's होते हैं उनको, so जिसको आप मूंछ कहते हो, mustaches. Then we have goggles. Everyone know what's a goggle? Something that protect us from the scorching sun rays getting in the eyes. So these are few things that we have in black color, isn't it? Now, what we have learnt today? Which color we have learnt today? Today we have learnt about white color. Can you find anything white in this picture? Yes, we have. Try and find it out. The penguin's front portion is white in color. Can you see the cat's eye? It's white in color. And can you see the page? The page on which all these pictures are there? That page is also white in color. So now we have learned to identify white color. Let's see few more examples of white color. So, what are the different things that we have in white color? We have snow. Snow yani barf. And the man, this is snowman. Snowman किससे बनता है? Snow से बनता है. If snowman is white, that means snow is also white, isn't it? Then we have shells. What are these? These are shells. ये कहाँ मिलते हैं? seashore पे मिलते हैं हमें. Understood? और इनके अंदर क्या होती हैं? pearls. Pearls are also white in color. Then we have white as a color. We have garlic. Can you see this picture? It's garlic. अगर आप किचन में जाएंगे, मम्मा को बोलेंगे, she might be having one there and she'll show you, जिसको हम लहसुन भी कहते हैं. That garlic is white in color. Then we have radish, यानी कि मूली. Now the winter season is approaching. You can see all the green grocers or sabzi wala bhaiya, they are carrying mooli, radish with them. So that radish is white in color. Then we have snow bear. Snow bear होता है जो snowy region में रहते हैं, white color के होते हैं ये. This bear is white in color. Then we have flowers. Again white in color. Then what's this? You all must be knowing it. So who helps you to chew the food? आप अपने food को कैसे chew करते हो? With the help of your teeth. Yes. So here we have. You brush them every morning? Yes? Yes, we do brush our teeth every morning. So, what's the color of the teeth? It's white in color. Everybody has that? Okay. Now, I told you that clouds are white in color when they are not raining clouds. Isn't it? Can you see the sky? These flying clouds, they are white in color. What's this now? An egg. So can you see this egg? Egg is also white in color. Then we have a rabbit. Can you see this? Who's it? So cute. It's a rabbit. So rabbits are also white in color. And when we see, I know trees are green in color, but in snowy region, जब trees के ऊपर ढेर सारी snow हो जाती है, they looks like this, they white in color. Understood, class? So these are few examples of white color objects on the screen now. Now I am repeating your today's homework, that is, you have to do page number 56 and 57 of your fun sheet book today. Hope you all have understood your work well. On page number 56 there is a bear given, उसमें आपको cotton pasting करनी है. And on page 57 there is a cow given, जिसमें आपको छोटी छोटी जगह पे black color से thumb painting करनी है. Understood? Now it's time for you all to finish your work. Bye all. Take care.